Alright, it's time to prep the Blow Me Bubblegum Skateboard for finishing. And the way that I do that is by rounding over the edges, sanding out any inconsistencies and imperfections, making sure everything is completely level and that there's just, you know, that it looks nice and that it's durable, because I build functional art and I want to be sure that this board is going to be able to be used. So I got a lot of people like, there's no balls in the B, and there's inconsistencies in the balls in the E, and blah blah blah. All right, man, I know, but I gotta put screws in it, and I don't want to be screwing into bubble gum. I do think I am. I think one of the balls moved, and I do think that I am gonna have to do that. But I have a way that I think I can still make everything a-okay. So you see how that side, like that mold, kind of left like lines in the side? I'm just gonna sand those out. I'm sanding with 150 grit sandpaper, and then I'm gonna clean everything off with 91% isopropyl alcohol. This as well. I think this board comes out to about 3/4 inches thick. Look at that. It's just so bright. Oh my goodness, I love it. Yeah, buddy. All right.